Checking out Adidas out in Camarillo. Adidas has been mediocre lately, but we still gotta check. We have found steals on the back wall. It's been a while though. It says take an additional 50% off lowest ticketed price, but that's not off of everything most of the time. It's usually red and green tags like these right here. So $100 for these 4Ds and MDs right here. These bad boys. It says excluded from the promo. 130. Crazy one, aka Kobe ones, I think. Okay, this is size 11 US. $100, so down to 50. Got some Adidas SL with Light Strike Pro 130. Superstars. We've been seeing a ton of these at Ross. If you guys need these, $100. Gazelles down here. Yeah, $38. Oh, see, $38. Another 50 off. So $20 for these. Actually, $19. $19. These are size 12. Pretty much free. $19. Holy cow! That is why you gotta check, because every once in a while. And then this one is not included. What the hell? Got these buck leather. Is that buck leather shell toe too? What the hell? What are these? I guess they're technically not superstars because it's not rubber in the front. $150 for these. I've never seen those. Got the Bad Bunnies right here. I see Bad Bunnies. What they talking about? We did see this for 50% off. But is it any cheaper though? No, 160, size 13. Does come with the bag, just no box. But yeah, we did see these for 50% off with full box and everything. And I've showed you guys, so hopefully you guys did not miss out. Regular price for these super long hair suede Sambas. So not the best deals, but we're still finding stuff for free. $19 for those, really? Moving over to the women's clearance section. Are these? Ultra Boost 5X, yeah. 190 though, 190. You should get 50 off. Got some OG Ultra Boost right here in a pretty decent colorway, 9.5 women's. What they talking about though? I don't see a price tag. Sambas right here, $100, not included, I think. 70 for these. Whoa. These? Oh, size 3? Really? Size 3? Because these are $100 and then you get another 50 off. So $50. And some super small ones right here as well. These are the 5X. Look, $56. No extra discounts. Wait, and we see some right here. Are these the ones? Ultra Boost 5X? I might have someone. Yeah, I do. If I could find a size 9. I see a size 10 women's. I see a size, 9.5 women's. Size 9 right here. I think these might be it. Size 8.5, size 9. These might be the runners. I've been looking for one of the homegirls, and $35. $35 for Ultra Boost 5X. Man. Damn, I got all happy for nothing. I just felt, this ain't Ultra Boost, dang it. This is just regular, like Cushline type of phone. God dang it. Yeah, these got me all excited for nothing. Because, yeah, these are Ultra Boost. These are the Ultra Boost I've been looking for. Dang it. Damn you, Adidas. Damn you. I do got these. Dang, extra long hair suede. $35 for these. These gazelles pretty clean. $35 after a discount. They got these old school, what are these, SL 72s, $100. Got some superstars right here. We've been seeing these at Ross for a hell of a lot cheaper. Damn, dude. Alright, at least we found a couple of decent things. Nothing too crazy though. Wait, I saw these in the corner of my eye real quick. But yeah, these are way small. These are way small size 4 women's. Size 4, I don't know. Whatever, they're hella small. But yeah, there's no price tag on it either. They got wrestling shoes for women. Is this wrestling or boxing? I think this is wrestling. $70 for these bad boys right here. NMDs for women. Superstars, I'd say go to Ross. $110 for campus. Way too much. Just got 2 pair of Ultra Boost in the women's. And the price is kind of whatever. Moving on to the men's aisles where we see all kinds of generics, just like the women's. Didn't even show you guys all the generic aisles because most of them are generic stuff. Got a couple of Ultra Boost. This one actually pretty well priced, 65 bucks. Got a few sizes. We do have some specials and stuff like that. Pretty decent priced, not too bad. $40 for those campers right there. 45 for Sambas. I've never even seen one. This texture, super soft. Buck leather. Got one in the olive colorway right here. NMDs going for $45. I haven't seen anybody wear NMDs, and they still sell a ton of them, it looks like. Yeah, but not much. Not much. Got Superstars, all purple Superstars. 55 bucks right here. Got the Kobe, aka Crazy Ones right here, going for 50 bucks. Got the Crazy 97s right here. Dunk contest specials, only smaller sizes though. If you guys are Adidas head, they do have some decent stuff right here. Look at this jacket. This jacket looks hella dope. Is this the one that I found at Ross? $175. You do get an extra 50% off. Sweatshirts go for $16 or $15.50 after a discount. Oh, that actually sounds better. Look at this. Look at this. These jackets are down to 100 and then 50% off. They retail for $175. So if you're an Adidas, these jackets are freaking dope for 50 bucks. You could grab these messy jerseys. Well, they're Inter Miami jerseys, but they're 95, 50 off. Pretty much a full rack of these jerseys. Yeah, what are they going for? What are they going for? Oh, $30, 50 off. So $15 for those jerseys? What the hell? The hell, these are going for 55, 50 off. Got the Jamaica jerseys that we've been seeing at Ross, $70, 50 off. I feel like their apparel deals are always better than Nike because it doesn't move as much, but $60, you get 50% off. For these sweats right here, yeah, that's not bad. I haven't hit up this Pro Image Sports in a while, but they've been interesting. The 3 different clearance racks, $10 right here. Patriot shirts going for 10 bucks. Cowboys shirts, this is a Nike Cowboy shirt, 10 bucks. Dang, is it too early to buy Christmas gear? Look, all this Cowboys Nike shirts, $10, bunch of different sizes. Kansas City shirts going for 10 bucks. Raiders shirts, $10. More Raiders. I don't see any Niner stuff though. Do I? Nike Niner shirts right here. Let's see, all double XLs. Let's see what's going on over here. $50 for team apparel. New Era windbreakers right here. 50 bucks. They got Niners. They got Cowboys. They got every team, dude. Oh, not every team, but they got plenty of teams. They got G3 brand Dodgers pullover right here, super thin. Says 80 bucks, but I bet it's on sale. Micah Parsons salute to service jersey right here, 50 bucks. 200 down to 50 bucks. That is an XL, double XL. Wow, I'm floored by some of the selection here, some of the prices. Wow, they got the Cowboys. These are pro standard shirts or jerseys, baseball jerseys right here. 50 bucks for these. These retail for over 100 normally. Yeah, man. Starters, Steelers jacket right here. These are normally 125 down to 50. Cowboys jackets. These jackets, pretty freaking nice. It's team apparel, but quality seems pretty decent. $50. Got a few sizes right here. Some hoodies. It says $70. I bet you they're on sale. And do got Niners gear right here. All I see are extra large, double XLs. Same jacket as the Cowboys right there. So these are going to be 50. Got pullovers right here. They're all bigger sizes. This one right here is a small. Looks pretty big though. Looks pretty big. But yeah, these are going for 70. Dang, dude. They got some good stuff here. Some really, really good stuff. Starter jackets. Cowboy starter jackets right here. Medium, no tag. And then this Dodgers G3 brand jacket right here. 85. It says it's on sale though. Last clearance rack right here. Some of this stuff is just Really well priced. Look at this. Fanatics. Oh, okay. This one's not tagged. Small jacket right here. This is a Nike. 30 bucks for this. Normally 80. Is this a women's or men? Oh, this is a women's small. 30 bucks. Cowboys Fanatics hoodie going for 30. Salute to service. $30. Double XL. Niner stuff right here. They just got double, triple XLs. Dang it. SC $30. Chiefs hoodie double XL $40. A lot of football gear, really well priced. Holy cow! Wow. And this place does have a ton of merch. They even have Jalisco merch. Holy cow! Okay. And they got Dodger stuff. These are kids section. Did I say these are the kids? That is the kids section right there. Got the adults right here. All kinds of Dodgers stuff since baseball season is just getting started. They got a bunch of Lakers stuff right here. Okay. And this place does have a ton of merch. They got Dodger stuff. These are kids section. Did I say these are the kids? That is the kids section right there. Got the adults right here. All kinds of Dodgers stuff since baseball season is just getting started. They got a bunch of Lakers stuff right here. Okay. Got a sales table right here. $10 beanies. $10 beanies right here for Cowboys. Let's see. Yeah, I don't need any more beanies. I got plenty of beanies. I don't like these Laker ones either. Got Warriors ones on here. Bulls. These Cowboys ones actually look dope, but I don't think my homegirl wears beanies like that. They got AirTag keychains right here. This is actually pretty dope. I don't really mess with Apple though. They got card wallets for $1. They got iPod. Oh no, what are these called? The AirPods, earpod cases right here, $5. And they got little baby. Oh, they're for feet, right? Baby socks right here, $5. That's kind of cool. Got plenty of things on sale. Damn, they clearance out a lot of their football stuff. Definitely worth the stop. You guys are NFL fans. All right, haven't stopped by this spot in a while. Decent size New Balance outlet. This one used to be way bigger. Clearance section, 30% off. So far, I'm not impressed with the prices. 480s right here, $80. Even with the 30% off, I feel like I've seen better discounts in store, like at regular retail shops. $150 for the Rat Pack, $574s. The Stray Rats, my bad. Stray Rats collab. They look okay, a little wild. Got some 480 highs right here. These are size 8.5. These are going for $100. Got these in a bunch of different sizes if you're looking for these collabs. Not really too impressed though. They do got 1080 V13s. Yeah, 130, 30% off. So these go down to what, $100? That's actually a really good price. Holy cow! So that's probably the only good thing, I think. But we'll continue to search. These are 10.5. 574 is going for 80. Fresh foam trail Moors right here. Yeah, these have a ton of fresh foam. But is it as cushiony as a 1080? I don't know. These are 130 for these. They have these for 130, 30 off in a bunch of different sizes. I see a bunch of them. 550s right here going for 80. 990s, 150 right here. But we've seen better deals. Especially after the last trip. Kind of a letdown, to be really honest. All right, looking through the aisles, I am starting to see some better deals in the aisles. Like these 515s, 30% off, $50. That is a really freaking good price. That's what, $35 for those. We got one right here, but we can't really see the cutaway. Is this any good? Nah, it's mostly blue. Third one right here. Then they got a few more that are a little more expensive. $75. You get buy one get one 50% off, I guess. Got some 2002 Rs that we've seen them cheaper at the retail shops. And we see 997s right here, $90. You get an extra 30% off, so that's not bad. The color on this, not too bad. Not too bad. Got some nylon, got some buck leather, got some suede on the back right there. 30% off, so that's what, 63 bucks. We got a few more going for 90. You do get that extra, but buy one get one 50 off. Got some in the back here as well, 99 and 90 for those. These are all 997s. Got some 996s right here. And these are made in the USA, if I remember right. Yeah, made in the USA, 100 bucks. These are way heavier than some of the other ones. Holy cow. $70, that's a hell of a good price. Got some 880 right here. Kind of a mid-range running shoe. Yeah, but you get 30% off. 110. What is that? $77? They got 993s and 990s. No promotion for those. Well, this one's 130. This one's 130. You do get buy one get one 50 off. This one's 120. So they got a couple deals, I guess. Oh wait, this one's down to 100 bucks. So okay, they got a few deals. Checking out the women's. They got 991s, which I'm not really familiar with. Never heard of those. Those are going for 100 bucks. These are size 7.5 women's. Got some 997s right here. Price unknown. 550s right here going for 70. 574s going for 70. 550s right here. These are size 10 though. Do you get that extra 30% off? Women's section's pretty small. Just that right there. And they got the kiddos right here. 997s for women right here. That's definitely the best price I've seen. And the rest of the stuff, buy one get one 50 off. Decent price, not crazy though. 1080 for women right here. What? Definitely did not see the steal in the men's. I got two different colorways. Not huge sizes. Oh, they have this one's up to size 11. They got plenty of women's sizes. 515s going for 60 bucks, 30 off. 574. They only have one left though. I was like, what the hell? I saw these right. I was like, that's just not a 237. They only have a size 8 right here, which is a 6.5 women's. And they got other stuff, but nothing too crazy. Wasn't gonna stop by here, but is all the football stuff gonna be on sale like Pro Image? Yeah, definitely don't see it here. They do have a clearance rack, which was not very impressive the last time I stopped by. Not this one, but I stopped by Fans out in Lakewood. Well, we're just going to check a few things because I don't think the price are going to be that great, especially with no additional discounts. $90 Davis jersey right here. What they trying to get? I don't know, just crossed off. I don't know. What does that mean? 95 for the Iverson one. LG right here going for 90. Steve Nash Kiddos jersey 63. LG for grade school 90. Yeah, I'm definitely not seeing the deals that they have over there. 91 for the Dak Prescott large jersey right there. Got LJ, more than Tentacumpos. I'm not seeing the sales that they do have over there. Pro Image 70 for this. All right, I just came to check. I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. Not seeing the greatest deals. Yeah, we're done.